All right, how's it going, everyone? Okay, sorry, guys, I just need to make a really quick video for you guys because I want to tell you why you should never carry cash on you. I just got asked the other day. Well, okay, so a friend of mine the other day just told me that he got $700 stolen from him, and I couldn't fathom about why he had so much cash on him. Guys, if you're carrying a bunch of cash on you, it's not a good idea. There's a lot of risk involved. Someone could steal it, you could lose it. Guys, if you should change your mindset about money. If you should have your money be working for you. If you're just holding cash, I have a couple cash here just because I haven't gone to the bank yet. But this is going to go straight into my bank account. But guys, you don't carry cash on you because you should be thinking about how cash can make money for you. If you have a bunch of cash, put it into some stocks, and they'll start growing, automatically. 10% every year. Put it into your bank account. Pay off that credit card that you're paying interest on. Guys, if you're carrying cash, your cash is not working for you. Make sure you wanna. Sorry, I'm getting nervous just talking about it because you make sure you have all your cash in your bank. Pick a really good bank, Bank of America, Chase, whatever. There's a ton of banks out there. But yeah, get a nice bank, put your money in a bank, and it's gonna be safe there. All right, there's no worries. Okay, it's secure. You'll be financially secure. And sorry, I'm getting text here. But yeah, guys. So I just wanted to make this quick video and just tell you, what do you guys think? Comment below. Do you think you should carry cash around, or do you think you should just keep it in the bank or put it into stock so it can work for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. Also, join the Facebook group. We just created a new Facebook group. It's blowing up. You got tons of people commenting about new ventures, new ideas. It's called Moneymakers. The link will be in the description below. Guys, free stock. Go to click the link in the description below for free stock at Robinhood, completely free. You might get Google, which is priced at about $1,000 right now. So you might get a free $1,000 stock. All right, thank you guys for watching. This has been another episode of Make Money Fast. All right, bye.